If life feels shaky or uncertain, this meditation will help you feel steady, rooted, and deeply supported, like a strong tree that cannot be shaken. In this practice, we connect with the quiet wisdom of nature and rediscover the strength of being deeply rooted. If you are able, you may choose to sit somewhere where you can feel close to nature, perhaps near a window, on a porch, or simply in a quiet place where you feel safe. And if nature is not around you right now, trust that it still lives inside you. Begin by settling into a comfortable position. Let your spine rise gently upward while your body softens downward. Take a slow breath in, allowing your belly to expand. And breathe out, letting your belly soften. Again, inhale slowly, feeling your body fill with air. Exhale gently, allowing your shoulders to release. Now begin to notice the surface beneath you. Feel how it holds your weight, how it supports you without effort. Allow your body to grow heavier. Heavier with each breath out. Let gravity do the work. There is nothing you need to hold up, nothing you need to carry. You are supported. Now imagine that beneath you, deep below the surface, there's rich, dark soil. Warm, nourishing, steady. And from the base of your body, imagine roots beginning to grow. Slowly, gently, naturally. These roots extend downward, moving into the soil beneath you. With each breath out, they grow deeper, spreading wider. Finding strength in the earth. There is no rush. Roots grow slowly, but they grow strong. Feel them anchoring you. Stabilizing you. Holding you firmly in place. Now imagine that your body is becoming like a tree. Your spine is the trunk. Strong, steady, unwavering. Your shoulders soften like branches, reaching outward with ease. Your breath moves through you, like wind through leaves. Gentle, rhythmic, alive. Even when the wind blows, a rooted tree does not fall. It bends, but it does not break. Feel that strength within you now. Feel the quiet power of being rooted. Steady. Grounded. Safe. Now imagine warm nourishment rising up through your roots. Slowly traveling upward, through the soil, into your roots, into your body. This nourishment moves into your legs, your hips, your belly, your chest, filling you with calm strength, with stability, with quiet confidence. You are supported from below, held by the earth, carried by something ancient and wise. Take a moment to rest in this feeling. Strong, steady, unshakable. Even when life feels uncertain, your roots remain. Even when things change, your foundation stays. You are deeply supported. Now imagine a gentle breeze moving around you. Not threatening, not harsh. Just enough to remind you of your strength. Your branches sway slightly, but your roots hold firm. You're stable, balanced, secure. Take a few breaths here, feeling this steady presence inside you. Allow this sense of rooted strength to settle into your body, into your mind, into your heart. And now slowly begin to bring awareness back to your physical body. Feel the surface beneath you again. Feel the weight of your body. Feel the air around your skin. Gently wiggle your fingers. Slowly move your toes. Roll your shoulders if it feels good. And when you feel ready, take one final deep breath in. And slowly open your eyes, returning with steadiness, with strength, with roots that remain even as you move through your day.